This morning, 30 million people across the central U.S. and southeast, they are at risk for severe weather with damaging wind, gusts, hail, and possible isolated tornadoes.
CNN meteorologist Elisa Raffa joins us now. That's a lot going on. What's the latest?
Yeah, we have a growing threat in the Central Plains. The red bullseye is at moderate risk. Level 4 out of 5 includes much of Kansas, including Dodge City. That's where we could find a possible derecho setting up or a line of intense winds that could be upwards of 80 to 100 miles per hour. That's what we're really watching for. It could also have some very large hail to the size of tennis balls, and a couple of tornadoes cannot be ruled out. We're really going to juice up the atmosphere. A lot of humidity with daytime highs above average, getting into the upper 80s. Those dew points surging. That lets those storms really grow tall, and some of them can spin. You can see the storms really fire up kind of later on this afternoon, maybe not until after 4 or 5 o'clock. There's what could be our derecho. Again, it's a line of intense storms that organizes and pushes that damaging wind threat, and that could happen across Kansas with some winds up to 100 miles per hour. We'll continue with the storm threat in parts of Iowa as we go into Monday. The storm system kind of lingers a little bit. So again, looking at a multi-day severe weather outbreak, looking at that slight risk at level 2 out of 5 across parts of Kansas and Nebraska and Iowa on Monday, and then already on Tuesday, another big bullseye, that level 3 out of 5 in the orange from Madison, Wisconsin, down into Kansas City, all from the same system. This is the time of year. We are in the heart of severe weather season. April was incredibly active for us across the U.S., much above average. On average, we get 192 tornadoes in April. But look at May, 275 tornadoes on average. And again, this is the month after an incredibly active April. We're already starting out May incredibly active. Here's our tornado reports to date from January 1st, over 800. Average to date would be about 640. So incredibly active and staying that way through the next couple of days. So please stay weather aware with us, guys.
And hey, soon enough, we'll be talking hurricane season. Elisa Raffa, thank you. Koi